guys, it's your girl Cosmics Wonderland, and in my video today I am DIYing a pair of swim bottoms. These are swimsuit bottoms that I got on clearance at Walmart. I only spent $2.50 on each pair of bottoms. Today I'm going to be working on the pink pair, and they're super cute already. I bought a small. I am going to bedazzle these. I'm also going to attach fake flowers. I'm gonna bedazzle the flower petals because I am so extra. We're just gonna get crafty up in here. I'm doing this because I work out, I do pole fitness. I am not a stripper, okay? I don't have anything against them. I actually really, do you? I'm just saying, don't get me twisted, okay? I'm not a stripper, I do pole fitness. Pole fitness is an amazing way of working out, and I've been doing it for 3 years, and it's changed my life. I am addicted to it, and it's been a secret that you guys don't know about because I was a teacher for a long time, and so it's just better to keep it to myself. But now I'm just, like I said on Snapchat, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, 2 weeks ago I said I'm gonna be fully transparent. I'm letting it all out of the bag now. I don't care. I don't have anyone telling me that that's not professional and that's not appropriate and this, that, and the other. So I'm just, the year 2018. It didn't happen right away. We're a few months in, but my resolution is just being me on all forms of social media. You either accept it or you don't. You either get it or you don't. I don't even know. I live in my own little world and I'm my own little unique person. Does that make sense? Anyways, side note, I'm gonna be more transparent. I'm not gonna say oh, they're for swimming. No, they are for me when I pole dance. When I'm at the gym, I wanna look cute. I want to look cute because I am cute, and I feel really, really good when I work out, especially if I dress up. Sometimes I do really cute makeup just because it makes me feel really, really happy and nice to be there, and just, anyways, that's how I am. And so I wanted to bedazzle and DIY my gym wear to make it more my style. So that's what we're gonna do. This intro's hella fucking long. I'm sorry, you guys. Thanks for sticking with me. If you haven't clicked off yet, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go. I went ahead and I put the jewels on top of the fabric. They're not glued on yet. That's what the E6000 glue is for attaching the gems. You'll also need some tweezers because they just help you out. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the E6000 glue and start attaching the gems. As you see, they're not attached yet. And let's go ahead and get to work. Moving on to the flowers, what we're going to do is cut the stem part off, remove all of the green. All that should be left is the blue rose, and we're going to take our E6000 glue to attach these. I noticed that I wanted to go ahead and put the smaller flower inside of the bigger flower, so I'm going to stack these two by gluing them together. Do the same thing to the other side, and then we're going to glue rhinestones onto the rose petals just to give it some extra gypsy inspired bling. We are going to have to glue these on one by one, and look at how small and cute and tiny they are. These are holographic rhinestones. I'm going to go ahead and get to work, and I'm going to fast forward through all this monotony. I took some green gems and I went ahead and glued them in place of little leaves. You know how roses have some greenery? Well, I added some in bling style. Adding more bling, lots and lots of more bling. I laid out another design I want to do, and we're gonna go ahead and get to work. I just keep adding more and more and more. I don't know where this project is gonna take me, but I know it's gonna be fantabulous. I want to zoom in on the centerpiece so you can notice I've been bedazzling my bedazzle. I hate clothing tags, so I'm trying my best to get this out. I've had better luck before, but I finally got it. So now that the tag is out, we need to take the E6000 glue and glue the band, the fishnet part that flips over. We gotta glue it back down because it's kind of like lifted. I hope you can tell what I'm talking about, but yeah, we're gonna glue that back down, and now I don't have an itchy tag bothering me, so win-win. Here's the final product, you guys. What do you think? This turned out amazing. Wow, look at all the details, the bedazzled, all the rhinestones. I'm just shook. My pole shorts turned out, well, I guess swimwear booty shorts. I guess they're not like actual short style, but you know what I mean? It turned out so good, so good. And I actually did wear those 2 days ago to the gym, and I only lost 3 tiny little rhinestones. That's it, just those little tiny ones that was on that middle star. That's all that fell off, and I have plenty more. I'll put them back on, and so I just want you to know it held up really well, especially putting it to work. So I just want you guys to know it held up really well, especially when I put the DIY outfit to work and worked out in it. It held up very, very well, and so I feel very confident in my DIY shoes that I did a good job. I really liked it. You know, when I put them on, the jewels didn't go pew, pew, pew. My husband thought, and like, yeah, because like they're tight and you put them on, like I got curves, hey? Luckily they didn't. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this little DIY project. I'm sorry there's not a little like lookbook happening. It's just, it's not like a costume, it's not a full outfit, and I'm not just going to show my butt. Well, not that. I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not. If it was like a full costume or something, then yes, but it's just basically swim bottoms or panties. So if you want to see how they looked on me, then you're going to have to follow me on my fitness Instagram. And my fitness Instagram is @AshlynSwagger. I will put that down in the description box down below. Like I said, I'm not a stripper. As you can tell, when you go to there ain't no one hooting and hollering and throwing $1 bills at me and like all that. That ain't happening. That's not happening. I'm at a gym. I go to Peacock Pole Art and Bodyweight Fitness in Pueblo. Jackie is just the best. And if you're watching this, I love you, girl. You're freaking amazing. You've been a blessing and a godsend in my life. Physically, friendship-wise, mentally, like, you are a rock of a person. Legit. And I can't wait for our showcase, and I loved getting to show you these bottoms, and I know you like the blue a lot, Jackie, so maybe I'll DIY you a blue pair maybe or something. You don't know, you know, now that I'm a DIY goddess, birthday presents and stuff are gonna be changing. I might make little like pole creations, I don't even know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!